seasons, right? So I always tell people, okay, well, you know, it's summer and you're not going to find really good pears, so use peaches, or vice versa. I say, okay, you don't like almond flour a lot, just put a little bit more regular flour in a salmon flour. But I do give tips on how to make that work. So ultimately what I want to teach people is I want to teach people how to be in the kitchen. And if I tell people this is your project, this is something that you have to do exactly as I tell you, then it's going to stay just a project. I want people to cook my recipes or some form of my recipes every day. Like they come home from work, I want them to say, oh my God, let me open Viola's book because I know I'm going to find really tasty, that's easy to make. So, and I don't want them to go shopping exactly for my recipe. I want to use what they have because to me that's also another way to minimize waste. And so my book is more about building a pantry. It is called Italy by Ingredients. So there's about 12, 15 ingredients that I consider mainstays of my pantry.